morning, students. How are you? Hope you are keeping fine. Is that right? Okay, please take your literature book. Please take your literature book. We have been discussing, we have been learning about the tiger, the Brahmin, and the jackal. Dear children, this is a story, and stories are of two types. Stories are of two types. People write stories of two types. One is fictional story. Fictional stories are the stories which are based on thinking, imagination, imaginative writings, or the stories on the inanimate things, which is not animal, non-living things, or animals. They are known as the fictional, a creative story which has not been taken place in reality. That is known as fictional stories. Second type of story is factual. Fictional and factual, based on the fact, on the reality of life, or based on the human living, based on a human person, based on the human events that has related to human life. They are factual, based on the fact or reality of life. These are the types of stories, two types of stories I said: fictional and factual. Factual. So what story that we have is a fictional, but it is very interesting. It is very interesting. And to tell you that we have discussed in the live class, so I'd like to summarize this story in three different parts. The first part of this story, where the dialogues, the conversation, interaction takes place between the two, the tiger and the Brahmin. See, the tiger happened to be trapped in a cage. Now, how he got into the cage, it is not mentioned, not written, not explained, but it is real. It is the fact that tiger was caught up in the cage. He was not able to come out because it was locked. It was locked up. And the cage was made up of bars, iron bars. Naturally, tiger with rage started biting the bars, but not able to cut. And so, at last, in his hopeless situation, who comes? In his hopeless situation, a Brahmin comes. Brahmin enters into that scene. And then there is a dialogue. As soon as tiger sees the Brahmin, there is a hope. There is a hope. So he uses his intellect. Tiger uses his intellect and says, "Oh, pious Brahmin." What he says? "Oh, pious Brahmin, oh, holy Brahmin, please come and let me out from the cage. Please open the cage and I will be able to, because I am hungry, I am tired, I am caught up in this and I am not able to come out." And he started crying. What was the response of the Brahmin? He says, "No, my dear friends, nay," that is the word used, "and I don't believe in you. I don't believe that all that you tell." I says, "God promised." What he says? Mother promised, God promised. Then he made promise. He swore. He promised him that I will never kill. I will be slave, he says. I will be ever grateful, and always I will be the slave. I will be serving you. please open the cage and I will come out. So poor Brahmin, he was a pious, holy man, good soul. So what he did? He opened the cage. Once the cage was opened, the tiger jumped on the Brahmin. Why he jumped? Why he jumped? Because he was hungry. He was angry and hungry, both. He was angry. When tiger is angry, he is angry. When tiger is hungry, he is angry. When tiger is not hungry, he is not angry. He will sleep. He will sleep whole day. But when the stomach is empty, when he feels hungry, he comes with anger and he pounds over the animals and catches them and eats them. That is the thing. When tiger is hungry, it is angry. Remember that. And so he pounced over the Brahmin. And then Brahmin says, "Oh my Lord, please help me, save my life. Because I am to God, please save me, please forgive me," he says. "Save me." When Brahmin pleaded, the tiger said, "Okay, but there is one condition." What is the condition? Go and ask three things. Three things. He did not say three people. Go and ask people. No, he said, go and ask three things. What these things, if those things they tell me that I should not eat, then I will not eat. That is what the condition. So Brahmin, poor Brahmin, he went and he was looking for the people. He saw a tree was there standing. People tree, he asked him. Then you know the story. Dialogue between the people tree and the Brahmin. People tree said, "I give shade to the people, and people they come and sit under my shade, and they feed the cattle with my branches. They cut open and all that," he said. But then see, they are not thankful. They will cut my branches and finished. They are ruthless people. They are not grateful people. He says, "Don't believe," he said. How can you believe? Next one he went. So there was no answer. So next to a person, second person was the buffalo. Buffalo which was tied with the wheel where he has to draw water. He said, "When I was happy, when I was young, I was giving full of energy, I was giving the milk. People were feeding me nicely. Now I am old, I cannot give milk. And so they have tied with this yoke, and I have to go around drawing water. And then what is that they are giving me to eat? The kachra, husk, all garbage, dry things. And so I have to eat with that and survive. But then till I will die, I have to do." So this is that condition. You don't believe, please don't believe. There was no answer. Next one, the last one was last one was the road. Road also said, "There people are going, trampling over me, but no, they're cutting down, putting pipes and all that. No, I'm throwing the dust and the garbage and the ash and the husk and everything they are throwing. They are not grateful. Nobody, don't believe," he said. He was hopeless. The last, when he was hopeless, he was returning, he saw jackal. The jackal said, "Hey, I see you out of fish," you see. A fish out of water. That means you are deep trouble. What happened to you? He said, "Dear, my dear." Then he started a whole story. He said, "I don't understand. What is that? Tiger, cage, Brahmin, people tree, buffalo, road. I can't, I'm mixed up." Jackal is clever, you see. He wanted to know. He was planning how to save Brahmin. And so, "I don't understand what you say. It is all mixed up with me. I can't understand. Let us go to the spot." He went there. There also he was playing drama. And I don't understand how that Brahmin was inside the cage and the tiger came. Or the cage came walking and the Brahmin got inside. All those confusing things. And then he said, he was, meantime, he was planning. How then this fellow, tiger says, stupid fellow, you don't understand. I was inside. No, says, how you were inside? How did that you got it? He says, as usual, as usual. Then he says, show me. Then he went inside. Like this, I was inside. Then the tiger went inside the cage, and then clever jackal put the cage shut. And then once again, the poor tiger was inside, and Brahmin was safe. Thank you very much. See, this is what the cleverness. See that cleverness of the jackal. What is that reality? What is the theme? First of all, don't believe the nature of the wild animal. Wild animals always they are fierce. Secondly, if you help others, you will be helped. There is a phrase, God helps those who help themselves. God help those people, those who help themselves. If you work hard, God will bless you. If you don't work hard, then God also will not be able to help you. And those who do good things, the reward will be good only. So Brahmin was good person, and therefore he was helped, and his life was saved. Thank you. Bye.